If you're tired of sitting at your desk all day long and you're looking to get a little bit more physical activities, especially during those office hours, then you gotta check out this really nice adjustable treadmill desk that YeLift sent to me. It's really nice and easy to adjust. It does have a lever in the back here, and that's gonna be able to adjust your height up and down. And this thing does go really low, so if you did want to use this while you're sitting down in your office chair, you can. And then when you want to put it around your treadmill, you can simply just wheel it right over your treadmill and lift it up to your desired height. Now the wheels on this are really nice. They do glide really smoothly on hardwood surfaces. And they do have locking features on each one of the wheels as well. So that will hold it nice and steady in place while you're walking on your treadmill. The construction of this desk is really sturdy. It took about 5 minutes in total to put together. Instructions were really simple, easy to follow. And overall, this is just a really nice quality desk. I love how compact it is. It fits right over my treadmill. And it does have just a little bit of extra space, so if you do have a wider treadmill, it will most likely fit around that as well. And then what I like to do when it's around the treadmill, I just lock the wheels on down and then turn on my treadmill and just start walking while I'm doing my work. So this thing is perfect size. You're able to fit a laptop on here. You could actually have like a notebook on here or a mouse pad while you're working on your computer as well. It's just a really nice adjustable treadmill desktop and just really convenient to have around. So if you're looking for a really nice one, this one right here by YeLift is a great choice. Thanks for watching.